Hello. So I think it's been a great success today. So thank you for everyone that's been here and watched a lot of the shows. We're just going to close things off with a bit of a summary and call to action for the day, and then also just mention the meet and greet that will be happening after this as well. So first of all, we're kind of in a bit of a unique period where we have a completely new group of project leads and incubation committee people. So we're kind of very open to new ideas. We're also in the unique situation that the ORV3 rack development is kind of coming to an end at the moment. It's been worked on over the last 3 years, and things are kind of coming to a head, which is good. And that's kind of left the door open for new opportunities and focus in the rack and power environment. So we wanted to use this opportunity to really push for any ideas or feedback from the community, such as yourselves, just to let us know if there's any kind of direction or projects that you would like to focus on, and that we can help back for you guys to present here. So yeah, we just really wanted to make sure that you know that we were open to pretty much anything, as long as it's in the rack and power environment, and we'll look at maybe a new chapter beyond ORV3, especially with the base specifications we've seen come out, and see if we can make any more developments from there.
So rack and power is providing a solution, power solution between DC infrastructure and IT gears. So this group is kind of welcoming feedbacks from cloud service providers, integrators, and PSU suppliers for sure. So I will kind of list a few topics here. Hopefully we can work together, get all the feedbacks, and create new solutions among all the kind of partners here. A couple of things I want to mention. First is new power distribution architectures. For example, HVDC and kind of in-row UPS solutions. We just welcome all kind of ideas, from everybody. Also, another thing I want to mention is probably you already see some CIPS products, very, very high efficiency. It's very, very high efficiency, very, very high power density. I think it's close to almost to the 100 watt per cubic inch, which is very impressive. Efficiency, peak efficiency is around 97%. I think we have a lot of things to catch up in this area. For example, ORV3, the current ORV3, I remember the power density is around 30 something, mid over 30. So we are way behind the curve, I would say, compared to CIPS. Definitely we have a lot of things to do for the next generation, I would say. The challenge definitely is a trade-off between the power density and the power efficiency. But that's kind of the fun we are looking for. Also, BBU is another very interesting topic. We know the BBU has few concerns: cost, supply chain challenge, and lifetime. Packaging definitely is another great kind of topic we can explore. We will. I don't think we have a lot of kind of presenters or materials on this area, so we definitely looking for this kind of feedbacks from this community. Also, I think this year we see a lot of liquid cooling kind of new technologies. I think there's a great kind of opportunity for rack and power to utilize this new technology. From my point of view, liquid cooling definitely will help the power density. That's for sure. Yeah. Thanks for coming, and this group is looking is looking for all the kind of feedbacks from all of you.
Great, thanks. One thing I did want to mention, something that we were all very interested in, is kind of making OCP, ORV3, and such, the whole ecosystem, more accessible to kind of sub-hyperscale and otherwise known as enterprise customers. As Sony started our kind of journey into ORV3 and adopting OCP, we found a lot of barriers to entry, a lot of products such as those that are listed there that just aren't really available, or we're not aware that they're available. So we're looking for contributions to make it so that other customers of that size can enter the market and deploy rack scale architecture using OpenRack. Once again, how to get involved. We have project calls every second Wednesday of the month. There's a mailing list, the wiki, and there's also on the wiki all the specs and designs. And directly after this, we have a meet and greet. Come meet us and discuss rack and power topics. There's a map right there. If you head out this door and hang a left, you'll eventually run into it. So thank you for your time, and thanks for everyone for listening, and we'll see you at the meet and greet.